This is Tecno Camon 18 Premier, and today I will show how you can confirm the authenticity of this device. So to start, you will need to launch Settings, then enter the My Phone category. That's the very first one you'll stumble upon. Then open the phone information section, find IMEI SIM slot 1 and IMEI SIM slot 2 numbers, copy whatever IMEI number you see fit, doesn't matter which one you'll go for in particular, and seems like they are not copyable, but that's fine, we'll just manually enter them then. Anyway, so open the web browser next, go for the IMEI.info website. Once the web page loads, enter your IMEI number at this respective text field. So let me quickly do that off the camera so I can expedite the process a little. Alrighty, now you will need to also perform the captcha check and perform it successfully. So I gotta, for example, select all the fruits amongst these pictures, then hit the check button, and after the phone specifications will be after the web portal will provide you with your phone specifications, just compare them to an actual specifications that you have on your settings, and as long as they correspond, you can rest assured that you indeed own an original Tecno Camon 18 Premier phone. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.